Maupay nga aga ngan malipayon niya pagsaurog nato ng Sagrado Corazon de Jesus. The machine can now replicate our mind. What makes human is the heart. Iniya kasing-kasing nagahataghin hate. Kahit nga tanan niya kaurit, di ka nga kasing-kasing. Ngayon, ikaduhan niya nga pinaka-importante ang pagigugma. Maram ka mo everyday when we pray, it is only then that we balance the product of the heart. Ano ito iyo padadakoon? Ito iyo kasina ba? Or it aton pagigugma? Iton kinabuhi naton diri mawawala it problema iti hatag lan Ginoo aton iton strength to overtake ini mga problema. Ay maniningat tanan. Iton pagbalansit atong kasing-kasing. People know how important it is to maintain the humanity of man because the human heart is being raised to the divine. This is the importance of creating closeness within the family. Ay, hindi nagtitikang nga tanan. Kasing-kasing, yang kung may naghatag ihimplo, hindi nga kasing-kasing, hiyaya na nga aton ginsisilebrar Sagrado Corazon de Jesus.
Happy Hearts Day to all of you. You know why? Kaya Sacred Heart of Jesus nang ko din ato celebrate.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. No time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive, deep into the wild.
A grateful heart to all of you. Then I will not be naming names kay makuri na. And church staff, and tanan na naging part of this celebration. Down to the cleaner, to the janitor. Ang nga tanan naging parte. Ini.
From behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. Risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Searching for new life.
Abadiano,
Badiano,
Abaygar,
Abaygar,
Abaratigi,
Abaratigi,
Abayan,
Abayan,
Abanag,
Abanag,
Abayari,
Abayaris,
Abarques,
Abarques,
Abalahis,
Madami,
Aban,
Aman,
Abarcoso,
Abarcoso.
Luma, Laguna.
Deep into the wild. is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, no time. Oh.